Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in Bedwars PvP. Mastering block placement is fundamental for survival and success. Always keep a stack of blocks readily available in your hotbar for instant access. Practice placing blocks quickly to create immediate cover or to bridge small gaps. Effective block usage can turn the tide of any skirmish, giving you a crucial advantage over opponents. Remember, blocks are your versatile tools for both defense and offense. Defensively, blocks are your best friends. When under attack, quickly build a small, 2-block-high wall around yourself to absorb incoming damage and projectiles. This temporary cover can buy you precious seconds to heal or escape. Reinforce your bed with layers of blocks, making it much harder for enemies to break. Remember, a well-protected bed is key to staying in the game longer and securing victory. Offensively, blocks enable swift movement and tactical plays. Master various bridging techniques, like speed bridging, to quickly traverse the void to enemy islands. Use blocks to create unexpected pathways, allowing you to flank unsuspecting opponents. Strategically place blocks to momentarily trap an enemy, giving you a window to attack. Gaining a height advantage with blocks provides a clear line of sight for ranged attacks. For advanced players, block clutching is a vital skill, allowing you to place blocks midair to prevent falling. Experiment with creating clever block traps or unexpected drops to surprise and eliminate opponents. Combining block placement with your attacks, known as block hitting, can provide both offense and defense simultaneously. Always adapt your block strategies to the dynamic flow of each game, maximizing their effectiveness in every encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.